As a workforce training program, it's really important that we think about the hands-on applied learning aspect. And so with Brightspace, what we're able to do and what we were able to do with the design services of D2L was flip the classroom. So the imparting of knowledge is self-directed and competency-based and up to the student. And the in-person classroom time is really much centered around applied learning, lab simulation. We're imparting knowledge, but we're also giving you space to apply that learning so that when you get to day one of your internship, you are ready. Up until recently, we haven't been able to always execute on what we were learning because it was a very costly, time-intensive endeavor versus now we're getting to a place where we can either tinker with what we already have because it's already so solid because of the instructional design services we use from D2L, or we can think more rapidly about how we leverage the technology that D2L kind of shared with us around Bongo or Pictory or the Socratic tool or some AI resources to build content so that it's almost as if we were upskilled in the process of working with you to become better instructional designers in-house. We can just scale much quicker because if we wanted to go to a market before or a new city or a new specialty within a market, it was very clunky and cumbersome. Now all we have to do is turn the switch on and then the content is ready to go and we have to think through who's going to deliver it because we're less geographically bound and we have blended delivery. We now can think about having a more extended reach to our instructional core. Instead of taking 18 to 24 months to launch in a new market, we're accelerating that down to like 6 to 8 months. The learning experience can be turned on in virtually an instant, making things much quicker for us in terms of meeting market demand. So it's pretty exciting.